AI and robotics, shaping the future together. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AI Insights. Today we are embarking on a thrilling journey into the realm where artificial intelligence and robotics converge. It's a frontier that's reshaping industries, revolutionizing manufacturing, and even changing the way we interact with technology. Join me as we explore the dynamic synergy between AI and robotics in this episode of AI Insights. Our exploration begins with the evolution of AI in robotics. We could have come a long way from traditional rule based robotics to the era of intelligent machines that can learn and adapt. From manufacturing floors to collaborative robots working alongside humans, AI has become the driving force behind the next industrial revolution. Let's dive into the exciting world of how AI is transforming robotics, making machines not just automated but intelligent, capable of decision making and problem solving. But how exactly do AI and robotics collaborate in the real world? Let's find out. From healthcare to logistics, AI powered robotics applications are expanding rapidly. Picture surgical robots with unparalleled precision, autonomous drones delivering packages, and even robotic exoskeletons enhancing human capabilities. We will explore how AI algorithm plays a crucial role in making these robots smart, adaptable, and allowing them to navigate complex environments, learn from experiences, and collaborate seamlessly with humans. Let's take a deeper look into the fascinating evolution of AI in robotics. It's a journey that has transformed the landscape of automation, turning one static machines into intelligent adaptive entities. Rewind a few decades, and robotics primarily operated on predefined rules, executing tasks in a repetitive and predictable manner. These early machines lacked the ability to learn from experience or adjust to changing circumstances. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves in the era of AI driven robotics. Machines are no longer confined to rigid instructions but are now equipped with artificial intelligence that enables them to learn, adapt, and make decisions on the fly. The key catalyst in this evolution has been the integration of machine learning algorithms into robotic systems. These algorithms allows robot to analyze vast amount of data, identify patterns, and continuously refine their performance over time. This shift from the rule-based programming to machine learning has unlocked a new level of flexibility. Robots can now navigate complex environments, handle diverse tasks, and even collaborate with humans in ways previously unimaginable. One of the most remarkable development is the rise of collaborative robots or cobots. These robots are designed to work alongside humans, sharing the same workspace and complementing human skills rather than replacing them. Imagine an assembly line where a human and a robot work hand in hand and each leveraging their strengths. AI enables these cobots to understand human gestures, respond to change in the environment, and adapt their actions in real time. As we gaze into the future, the evolution continues. Advanced AI capabilities are paving the way for robots with heightened perception, natural language processing, and the ability to collaborate in even more intricate tasks. The evolution of AI in robotics is an ongoing narrative transforming how we conceive, design, and interact with machines. In the coming years, we can anticipate even more profound changes as AI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of robotics. Now that we have explored the evolution, let's delve into the real world applications where AI and robotics are making a tangible impact. Take, for instance, the field of agriculture, where AI driven robots can autonomously plant and harvest crops, optimizing efficiency and reducing environmental impact. The possibilities are truly fascinating. Now, let's delve into the challenges and ethical considerations that come with the integration of AI and robotics. As we embrace the advancements, it's essential to address challenges and ethical considerations. How do we ensure the safety of AI driven robotic systems? What ethical guidelines should govern their behavior? Join me as we navigate through these complex questions and discuss the responsible deployment of AI in robotics. We will explore the real world examples where AI and robotics are being used responsibly, making a positive impact while considering the potential risks and societal implications. Wrapping up our exploration, it's clear that AI and robotics are not just buzzwords. They are shaping the future of how we work, live, and interact with technology. As we move forward, let's continue to marvel at the possibilities while being mindful of the responsibilities that come with unleashing such transformative technologies. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI and robotics, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe for more captivating content on AI Insights. What topic would you like us to explore next? Let us know. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the future.